Hi everyone, my name is Tim Sawyer and I'm going to be talking about the tracking attendance and ticket validation software called TAME that we've developed in Australia for our Australian customers. Um, so I will go into some features there and I'll just give you a quick demo. The software can be used on a PC, Windows PC. It can be used also using Android PDA scanners or Android phones. We haven't developed it for iOS as yet, but mostly if you are scanning, it's much quicker to use a PDA scanner, and they're all Android at the moment. For our clients using it on a PC, they just use either a plug-in or a cabled barcode scanner. For today, I'm going to be using my cordless barcode scanner. So the TAME itself needs an internet connection, so it is clouded, and whether it's through 4G or through the Wi-Fi, you need that connection to the database, which is clouded, where you're going to be storing your attendee list. So the attendee list is pretty straightforward. You would go into, well, first of all, you're going to need to, let's go back one step, you're going to need to log in. So Tim, I won't tell you what my password is, not today anyway. And we'll log in. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to do is load a lookup table or an attendee list. Now this can be 3 fields of information. Here's a sample here. Let's see if I can bring that onto the screen. And you can see that the 3 fields, the first field is your barcode field, barcode number. The second field could be a full name. I've actually, in this sample, is just first name, the second field, and the surname is in the third field. But a lot of our clients use the second field for full name, and the third field could be contact name, contact number, type of visitor, type of employee. It's up to you, but you've got up to 3 columns or fields of data that you can load into the system. Okay. So once you know, and you can also do a text file as well. Once you've got that file, you browse to it. I've already saved time. I know where it is, and we'll just load that in. It's loaded. Yep. So now we go back into our attendee list, and you can see that we've got the 3 fields, which is our attendee ID number or barcode number, the name of the attendee, or the ticket holder, or whatever you're using it for. And if you are using it for ticket validation, you can actually set it up in the system to stop duplication as well, if that's required, particularly for tickets that are paid for. And the last field, I've just got a company name. So let's do a quick check-in. And I've already preset that. This first field is basically, it could be anything. It could be a session that you're tracking. It could be a gate that you're tracking people coming through. So you could have multiple gates where you're scanning people in, and multiple devices where you're scanning in as well. Because remember, it's all going back to a centralized database. For now, we'll just do the one location. And it can be anything, a reference number, a session ID number, a gate number, you name it. Even a person that's scanning. Once you click onto the scan field, that grays out this section here, the session or the reference number, and now we're ready to scan. So I've already got some barcodes pre-printed. I've got my scanner. I'm just waking up, and we should, once we get a validation, we'll scan a barcode, and if they're in the system, we'll get a tick. That tick tells us that they're valid, come on through. And it's pretty quick, as you can see. So that's, let's go have a look and see what that looks like. I've scanned 4 visitors. Yes, we do want to leave. Let's have a look at that attendee list. And you can see here that we've scanned 4 people that have come in. We've got a check-in time, and we've got a date and time stamp of when they came in. So as I said, this can be used for a number of areas. We've got clients using it out on site to scan attendees or employees coming onto site. We've got clients using it for scanning sessions or recording people coming, attendees against sessions that they need to be recorded against. We've got it at events where it's used for ticket validation as well. So all this data can be filtered, you can sort it. There's a number of ways you can sort that data. Currently just checked in only. You can see there. If we go to all, we can see that out of the 8 records that are on the system, 4 have been scanned in. And you can also search by name or number as well down in the search field, so you can get quite granular with your searching. At the end of the event, you can export all of that data. Okay, each day, depending on what you're using it for, if you're using it daily, you can export all that data and it will give you a CSV Excel report. You can see that it's checking in at the moment. We may want to check out. So let's check out, and this will give us the direction of could be another gate they're coming out of, the same gate. And now we're checking out, and we're going to go to first 4 again. If we go back, yes. And we're going to go to attendee list. Now we should see gate 1 where the first 4 attendees came through, and then now you can see gate 2 where they've come out. So you can actually track the direction of them coming and going all day if you wish, with date and timestamps. It's fairly simplistic to use, and that's how we like to keep it. So certainly if you've got any other questions, let us know. If you need a more in-depth demonstration, please let us know. All our details are on the website. Please email us, and happy to chat more about it. Thank you very much for your time. It's Tim from Track and Trace. Chat later.